put into the video. Boom! God damn, man. What the fuck? Bro. Bro, what the fuck?
He wanted his tight end to put Purdue on the board early.
How you kick from the left hash far left? What? How you kick? Listen to me. How do you kick from the left hash far left? Oh my God, bro. You're not going to the NFL. You're not going to the NFL. You're one of them people I need to tell you. Focus on your major. What you in, business administration? Culinary? Be a chef. Because you need to learn how to cook something. So use your hands more instead of your leg. Holy, bro, what the? How do you kick from the left hash far left? Why am I getting pissed off this early? See, stuff like this just piss me off. Because it's like, you made it to a D1 college team? And I could have easily been his replacement. My kicks would have been going down the middle. Easily. 70 plus yards deep.